Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Ivan Sobura. I'm speaking to you from West Karachuonyo, Homa Bay County, and I'm going to present to you how SAGLA Parks is going to contribute to cultural development of the Luo people. There are certain positive cultures that we must preserve as the Luo people. One of them is our medicines, another one is our songs, our dances, our artifacts, things which have built the Luo people over time, and we are part and parcel of them. One of the biggest responsibilities of the great parks is to contribute to cultural development of our people so that we can develop positive cultures for the future and discard retrogressive cultures, because culture is a very dynamic process and we have to look at culture keenly and make sure that we develop a culture that's going to build our people to greatest heights of development. So in this video, I'm going to show you how SAGLA Parks is going to contribute to cultural development of the Luo people who live here. But before I introduce you to the cultural theme of SAGLA Parks, I will take you through the parks and explain what SAGLA Parks are and what we stand for and what we will contribute to every aspect of development. So if you look at the photograph, you can be able to see SAGLA Parks. These are sisal, acacia, grass and livestock agro-tourism parks, and these parks are going to contribute to sustainable development of arid and semi-arid lands. And the photograph there show you vegetation structure of the parks. This is one of the SAGLA parks that we have in the world. This park is located in West Karachuonyo Ward, Homa Bay County. And this is one of the poverty-stricken counties in Kenya. And we have an objective to alleviate poverty among the community who live here. But our strategy is SAGLA Park, or what we call sisal, acacia, grass and livestock agro-tourism parks, where the vegetation structure is made up of 3 dryland plants. We have sisal in the middle canopy, we have grass in the lower canopy, and we have acacia in the upper canopy. So as I walk, I'm going to show you the acacia plant. So this park is located in West Karachuonyo, and what we have, you can be able to see the acacia tree. Acacia tree is one of the most important trees in Africa, and they are the genus acacia. And there are very many trees, very many species of trees which are found in that genus acacia. And one of them is Acacia xanthophyllea, or the yellowback acacia, which is very common in this area in West Karachuonyo. Acacia is a very important plant because it rate of photosynthesis is very high. It fixes carbon at a very faster rate. It builds biomass fast. It grows very fast, and it is a dryland plant, which means it's one of the plants which can be able to grow very well in dryland zones like West Karachuonyo. And there are certain products that we can derive from acacia, apart from the fast growth, even in the drylands and promotion of dryland forestry. Another product that we can derive from acacia is the gum, Arabic. Acacia produce natural gum, and this is a big industry in the Sahel region. And we hope that through the acacia forestry, West Karachuonyo, this part of the world, can also be able to contribute to global production of gums. Significant contribution to gum production in the world. And that's one of the objectives of the great parks. Developing a xerophytic agro-ecosystem is not easy. We have we have been doing optimization of the great parks for the last 4 years. We have been thinking about the direction. We have been doing research about the future so that we can project a very strong strategy that will counter food insecurity and promote sustainable development of our people. Developing our people will not be easy. Politicians will not do it alone. Academicians will not do it alone. Stakeholders will not do it alone. We will have to team up together. The academy, the government, the non-governmental organizations, charities all over the world, people who mean well for the people, to come together and support sustainable development interventions like SAGLA Parks. As a university, as Egerton University, we have done our bit. We are doing research and development, and we are coming up with technologies which are going to help our people. It is a role of other stakeholders also to come in and give whatever small support they can be able to give. And I'm also urging the academy all over the world. I'm urging my fellow dons, my professors and my doctors to come out of laboratories and come to the field and confront problems that affect Africans head on, right in the field, and provide solutions to those problems. So that is my appeal to the entire academia, that come forward and support the great parks in whatever way that you can. Because at the academy, we also have a great responsibility to build, to develop our countries. Our countries will not develop unless the academy perform their role. And one of their role is research and development. And the academies are the ivory towers. They are the reservoirs of knowledge. So let that knowledge come out. Let that knowledge be smoked out. And let it travel and come to the field in the middle of communities and solve problems. So my role was to explain to you how the parks are going to contribute to cultural development, but I've given you a great preview of SAGLA Parks, and I've given you certain critical photographs and impressions that you can be able to make when you're talking about these great parks. I've presented to you the vegetation structure and some of the few utilities that you can be able to derive from here. So back to the theme of this story, we are into cultural development and how the parks are going to contribute to cultural development of our country. And as I move inside, you can be able to see along the wall here, we have several cultural artifacts. This one here is called Uderu, it's called Otar in Luo. This one here is called Uswaru. Yeah, this one was being used for putting the African cake during the eating process. This one is called Luaru, which was also a cooking artifact used by the Luo people. We also have Oderu here, which is a very common artifact used by the Luo people of Western Kenya. So if you look at that caption shows several cultural artifacts woven by the local people here. And this industry is still at infancy, and we expect SAGLA Parks to contribute to development of this industry so that many weavers and many skilled craftsmen can be put to work. So we expect through SAGLA that the skilled craftsmen and the weavers of this area can be put to work, and they can weave the Luo cultural artifacts for the tourism industry. We hope that this intervention will contribute to poverty alleviation, because we expect that several of these artifacts will be bought by tourists, and money channeling back to the people who opened them. So my presentation was about how SAGLA Parks is going to contribute to cultural development. I've presented here that we have a tourism theme, and under our tourism theme we have cultural tourism, where we use cultural artifacts as attraction for tourists. So that is how we shall contribute to cultural development of the people, starting from here in West Karachuonyo. So that was my brief presentation about how we shall contribute to cultural development. I hope you enjoyed the story. Thank you. God bless.